With the end of the Grade 6 Achievement Test, GSAT, on Friday, all is in gear for the new school leaving exam, the Primary Exit Profile PEP. That's according to Junior Education Minister Floyd Green, who told TVJ's Kalisha Williams that PEP should better prepare primary level students to take on high school courses.
When the new school year begins in September, the primary school curriculum will be geared towards the new school leaving exam, the Primary Exit Profile PEP. This as the 19-year-old Grade 6 Achievement Test, GSAT, came to an end on Friday.
I'm one of those teachers who are up for change. Whatever will work for the students, fine by me.
State Minister in the Education Ministry, Floyd Green, believes GSAT has done its course.
What we have been finding with the GSAT examination, yes, the children study hard. A lot of times the children do well. It's very pressuring, and the parents will tell you it's a lot of work. But when they reach secondary school, you still wonder if they really grasp the underlying principles and concepts.
And according to him, PEP will prepare students to become critical thinkers. He pointed out that the new exit exam will focus on problem solving and the application of knowledge of everyday experiences, which he says will help students function in the real world.
There's a movement away in the assessment model from multiple choice to more, showing us that you really understand what is out there. The questions, there's a movement away from raw formulas to application. How is math applied in everyday life instead of simply saying 3 + 1 = 4.
But could students who were exposed to the old GSAT curriculum find it difficulty to transition to PEP? Mr. Green says there will be a mock performance assessment for Grade 5 students in June.
Just so that they can get a feel of some of the performance assessment aspects that again we will look to do with them in Grade 6. So thus far we've been training a lot of our teachers. We've been going around, we've been having public fora to ensure that we get information out there. We will continue that.
Kalisha Williams, TVJ News.